Hello, guys. Welcome to this class, and thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys are having a nice day, a wonderful day so far. And I would like to take this time to thank say thank you to everyone for subscribing to the channel, for your like, for your comment, and I really appreciate all your support. It worth a lot to me, and thank you for tuning in. Thank you. Thank you is not enough to say to you guys. And please stick around. Please stay connected with me to this journey. There will be a lot of stuff will be going on in this journal and in the channel. So please stay connected with me. And today I'm going to teach you guys the Creole alphabet and its pronunciation. The Creole alphabet and its pronunciation. So let's jump right into the class. All right. First of all, I'm going to repeat the alphabet first, and then I'm gonna ask you to repeat after me, okay? So let's get started. A. So to remind you guys, the word that in brackets is the alphabet pronunciation, all right? So A, 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 un, 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 B, 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 CH, 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 D, 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 E, E, R, R, N, N, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, 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 J, 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 K, 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 L, L, M, 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 N, 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 NG, 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 O, 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 U, 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 on, 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 un, 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 all right, un, un, p, 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 r, r, s, 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 t, t, U, 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 V, V, W, W, Y, Y, and Z, Z, Z. All right, guys. Now it's your turn. You're gonna repeat after me. So I'm gonna repeat the word, the letter, and then you will repeat after me. All right. All right. The Creole alphabet. All right. The Creole alphabet and its pronunciation. So let's get started. All right. Please repeat after me. All right. A, 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 A. Repeat. Un, repeat after me. Un. B, B. Please repeat after me. B, B. C, H, C, H, C, H. All right. D. Please repeat after me. D, D. E, 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 please repeat. E, 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 F, 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 G, 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 H, 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 I, 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 J, 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 K, 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 L, 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 M, 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 N, 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 NG, 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 O, 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 U, 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 on, 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 un, 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 un. All right. P, 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 L, 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 S, 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 T, 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 Yui, 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 V, 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 W, 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 Y, 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 Z, 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 Z. Alright guys, I think this is the end. We reached the end of the video, and thank you for taking your time to attend the class today. So I really appreciated your time today with me. So I think, like I said, today this is all for today. This is the lesson was about. This lesson was about the Creole, the Haitian Creole alphabet and its pronunciation. And alright guys, and thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment to the channel, and I wish you have a great day, and may God bless you. Please stick around, keep up, please connected with me. Until then, ciao.